Hello, spiritual learners. It's Steve. I hope that you're doing really well. I wanted to do this quick video to talk a little bit about your timesheet that will be due at the end of the semester. As you can see, I have our Canvas course page up here, and you're going to find the timesheet under assignments. So if you go to assignments and then all the way down on assignments, you're going to find it. I think it's the last item listed, and we click on the link here, and it brings up something that looks like this, where we're asking you to enter your supervisor's information, the name of the internship site, and then this is where you'll actually record your hours on this screen here. So this is worth 50 points, and it's important that you kind of keep an eye on this so that you don't have to rush at the end of the semester to remember your hours, or maybe you can keep track of your hours somewhere else and then transfer them to this sheet. That's fine. This will automatically go to your site supervisor for approval at the end of the semester. You see here we have a due date of December 12th. So anyone has any questions about the timesheet, please feel free to reach out to me, and keep up the great work. Take care.